Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Izzy coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, October 14th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 42 degrees. We're expecting a high of 62 and a low of 46, with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Joshua, Annabelle, Sam, Brandon.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In sports, the Cubs won against the National League Division Series against the St. Louis Cardinals last night by a score of 6-4. They now have advanced to the National League Championship Series. We will have to wait until Thursday's game to see if they will play the Mets or the Dodgers. The Blackhawks will play the Philadelphia Flyers tonight at 7 o'clock. There's only one club meeting today. The Math Olympiad at 11:45 in room 208. Tomorrow's Pizza Thursday. Come down to the front hallway at lunch to buy a slice of pizza for only $2. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Izzy. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. That was a great Cubs game. It's going to be a tough series coming up, too. All right, a couple of things I wanted to talk about. This month, we are focusing on respectful behavior, and I know that classroom teachers and staff are going to be going over, that throughout the month, and we've got some special Herbie high fives or Herbie hoorays that we're giving out. I also wanted to remind all the students that respectful behavior also carries over onto the bus. And we really need to work on our bus behavior. We've had a few instances on the bus where we've had some disrespectful behavior, and that is something that we all need to be working on. We really expect to see respectful behavior carry over in all areas of our school, not just the classrooms or the playground, but definitely the bus. All right. It is time for the announcement of Herbie's Heroes Lunch this Friday. So the following students will be participating this month. In 101, we have Hannah T. In 102, we have Ryan H. In 109, we have Brent F. In 110, we have Gabriella C. In 105, we have Arna G. In 106, we have Jack C. In 107, we have Adam J. In 108, Caden W. 116, Josie C. 117, Emma F. 118, Yash G. 119, Diamond J. 120, Dylan L. 112, Callan K. 113, Isaac E. 114, Sahana K. 115, Umberto P. 121, Carius A. 201, Owen M. 202, Hulika N. 203, Allison C. 213, Nicola U. 214, Kira K. 204, Isha S. 205, Ursula S. 206, Senhuja B. 207, Bianca R. We have a lot of kids at Hoover. A lot of classrooms. Let's see, 209, Chris F. 210, Brandon E. 211, Julian T. And last but not least, in 212, Holly J. Congratulations. We will see you on Friday in room 208, the lab, during your lunchtime, and we will be celebrating together. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome, Izzy.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that more United States presidents have been born in October than any other month? They are our second president, John Adams, our 19th president, Rutherford B. Hayes, our 20th president, Chester Arthur, our 27th president, Teddy Roosevelt, our 33rd president, Dwight D. Eisenhower, our 40th president, Jimmy Carter. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by third graders in room 112. Have a World Wonder Wednesday.